listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static.
In today's episode, we're breaking down 4 metal plan tiers in the ACA marketplace. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, ACA metal levels explained, written by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Ashley Toomey. The Affordable Care Act marketplace has 4 categories for healthcare plans. These groups are bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, also referred to as metal tiers. Each metal tier represents the percentage of cost sharing between the carrier and the beneficiary within a plan. For example, a bronze plan will typically cover 60% of covered medical costs, and gold plans typically cover 80%, though the details are more nuanced. What each plan deems a covered cost and how each plan handles cost sharing is different. Additionally, premiums and deductibles vary across plans as well. Let's take a closer look at each metal tier more closely. The metal tiers for ACA health plans. Bronze plans have the lowest monthly premiums and highest deductibles out of all of the ACA plan metal tiers. Bronze plans cover 60% of covered medical costs. Beneficiaries enrolled in bronze plans can apply for subsidies but cannot apply for cost-sharing reductions. Silver plans cover 70% of covered medical costs and have moderate monthly premiums and deductibles. Beneficiaries enrolled in silver plans can apply for both cost-sharing reductions and subsidies. Gold plans cover 80% of covered medical costs. These plans typically have high monthly premiums and the lowest deductibles. Beneficiaries with gold plans cannot apply for cost-sharing reductions, but can apply for subsidies. Platinum plans cover 90% of covered medical costs. These plans have the highest monthly premiums out of all the metal tier plans and the lowest deductibles. Beneficiaries enrolled in platinum plans cannot apply for cost-sharing reductions, but they can apply for subsidies. As you heard from the information we just went over, as the metal tiers go up, the member's coinsurance responsibility goes down, while the plan's coinsurance responsibility goes up. The most prevalent tier in the marketplace is the silver tier, due to the ability to apply subsidies. We recommend suggesting a silver plan to a client that qualifies for subsidies. Consider your client's budget and what makes sense for them. Some clients may find a bronze plan paired with another plan, such as a hospital indemnity plan, to be more affordable and offer the coverage they're looking for. We have a helpful handout with a breakdown of the ACA metal tiers you can bring to your appointments. The link for that downloadable PDF is featured in the episode notes. If you ever need guidance or sales tips for selling ACA plans, our under 65 sales team here at Ritter Insurance Marketing is happy to help. You can find the contact info in the notes or email us at asgpodcast@ritterim.com. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written by Roxanne Anderson, Emily Ryan, and Ashley Toomey. Script proofing by Sarah Ruppel. Recording and production by me, Tina Lamoureux. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.